So hello everyone. In the previous two videos, you have done how to find out the missing frequencies when the mean and the mode are given to us. In this video, I'll be telling you how to find out the missing frequencies when the median is given to us. So the question is, the median of the distribution below is 28.5. Find the missing frequencies X and Y. This is the question of your NCERT books. I've taken the same question. Now, what do we have? We have here the class intervals given to me, the corresponding frequencies are given, and the sum of all the frequencies, the total of all the frequencies is also given to me as 60. So I'll use this and I'll get the answer for the value of X and Y. Let us see how do we do that. Now, to find out the median, I need to first of all know the cumulative frequency. The frequency of first row remains as 5. For the second row, how much do we get? 5 plus x, I had told you, which comes out to be 5 plus x. Then 5 plus x plus 20, which comes out to be 25 plus x. Then I had 25 plus x plus 15, which comes out to be 40 plus x. Then 40 plus x plus y, which comes out to be 40 plus x plus y. And then finally, I get 40 plus x plus y plus 5, which is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Now this 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60, which gives me x plus y is equal to 15. So this becomes my first equation, which I'll be using to find out the values of x and y. Now what is the formula for the median? The median is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is the lower limit of the median class. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. N is the total number of observations. F is the frequency of the median class. And H is the class size. So to know that, first of all, we need to find out the median class. Now, what is the median given to me? In this question, it is given to me that the median is 28.5. So since the median is 28.5, in whichever class intervals, out of these class intervals, in whichever class intervals 28.5 would lie, that becomes a median class. So in which class interval would 28.5 lie? I'm sure you all can make out that 28.5 lies in this class. So this becomes the median class. So if this is the median class, then L, the lower limit, which will come out to be how much? The lower limit will come out to be L will be equal to 20. Then the class size is equal to 10. N is how much? N is equal to 60 given to us. CF is what? CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the median class. Cumulative frequency of the median class is 25 plus x. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is equal to 5 plus x. So I get CF is equal to 5 plus x. F is the frequency of the median class, which is equal to 20. So this becomes the F, the frequency of the median class, and I can put the values using L equal to 20, H equal to 10, N equal to 60, CF equal to 5 plus X, and F equal to 20. In this formula, I get 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus X. Now, putting of this bracket is very important because if you don't put this bracket, you're bound to make a mistake. So, I put the bracket here. The median was 28.5, that is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5, that is 25, minus x upon 20, and 10 cancels out to give me 2. This 20 goes to the left hand side and I get 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x upon 2. I take this 2 to this side to get 17 is equal to 25 minus x, and I get the value of x as 8. Now x plus y, if you remember, was how much? X plus y came out to be 15. So if x plus y is 15, then y is equal to 7. I've got the values of x and y. X is coming out to be 8, y is coming out to be 7. So these are the two missing frequencies that I had to find out. So I hope you have understood how to find out the missing frequencies when the median is given. So now you have all the three videos wherein you can find out the missing frequencies if the mean is given or the mode is given or the median is given to us. Remember, in this year's sample paper, statistics has been given lot of weightage in the standard paper. So there's quite a few chances that you will get one question at least to find out the missing frequency to ensure that you understand the method properly. Thank you so much.